Tila walang nakikitang problema si bilyonaryo Congressman Leandro Leviste sa patuloy na kaugnayan niya sa kanyang solar power firm. Sa kabila ng kontrobersya, nag-e-enjoy din daw ang kongresista.
Well, I'm actually thankful that they care so much about me. I'm having the time of my life, as I tell my mom when we discuss this.
Ito raw ang nararamdaman ni Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste sa atensyong nakukuha niya. Bukod kasi sa kanyang mga alegasyon sa flood control scandal, kini-question na rin ang solar power venture ng kongresista. Sa On Point ng Bilyonaryo News Channel, inamin ni Leviste na shareholder at owner pa rin siya ng Solar Philippines. Pero hindi na raw siya involved sa day-to-day operations nito.
Actually, I think it's the reason why pwede akong magsalita ng malaya tungkol sa DPWH dahil hindi ko kailangan mangurakot. And I also refrain from any potential conflicts involving this. And I've also disclosed that I am in the process of increasingly being disinvolved from all these matters even more.
Una nang sinabi ng DOE na pinagmumulta nito ng 24 billion pesos ang Solar Philippines dahil bigo umano ang kumpanya na tuparin ang mga pangakong proyekto sa renewable energy.
What the communications are with the DOE, I am not precisely privy to. It is something that I would like to look more into, but I am not involved actively anymore in the company.
Nilinaw din ni Leviste ang estado ng Solar para sa Bayan Corporation o SPBC na ginawaran ng Kongreso ng 25-year franchise noong 2019. Sir, are you still the owner of Solar para sa Bayan?
No.
So you divested?
Yes.
Pero kalaunay, sinabi ni Leviste na matagal nang sarado ang kumpanya. So you closed it down. You did not divest.
That is the essential point, that I closed it down.
When was it defunct? When was it not operational? Why did it not get the approval of Congress?
No, because first it probably stopped operating 4 years ago, and then it was not even fully operating before that because it was being legally questioned. It stopped operating also means then that there was no longer need for a congressional approval.
Dagdag ng mambabatas, hindi nagtagumpay ang SPBC.
I lost a lot of money on that business because I wanted to help unserved, underserved, and commercially unviable areas. And it was legally questioned because the local providers did not want to lose their business.
Higit 18 billion pesos naman ang kinita ni Leviste nang ibenta ang Solar Power Nueva Ecija Corporation noong 2023 sa Meralco Power Gen Corporation ni bilyonaryo Manny V. Pangilinan at pinangalan ng SP New Energy Corporation.
There was 15.7 billion invested as primary by Meralco into the company and 18.2 or so billion that went to me for my existing shares.
Sa usapin naman ng Cabral Files, ikinatuwa ni Congressman Leviste ang pahayag ni Senador Panfilo Lacson na isasabina ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee ang mga dokumento. Dapat na rin anya itong isapubliko. Mag-follow sa aming mga social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa pinakahuli at eksklusibong mga balita.